In this clip, we're going to learn to multiply by 6 using our hands as a calculator. So I want to multiply 6 times 2. I'm going to start my count with the right hand, count up to the multiplicon, 1, and then alternate to my left hand, 2. Now I'm going to compare the two sets, one extended finger, one extended finger. The sets are equal. 1 is equal to 1. So the ones place is going to be the multiplicon 2. The tens place is going to be the extended fingers in the left hand, 1. So 6 times 2 is 12. What about 6 times 3? 1, 2, 3. This represents 6 times 3. The sets are not equal, so I'm going to add a 5 to the multiplicon 3. 3 and 5 is 8, and that's the ones place. The tens place is left hand extended finger, 1. So 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4, this represents 3 here. Go to the left now, 4. 2 extended fingers here and 2 extended fingers here. The count goes 1, always with the right hand, starting, 2, 3, 4, because the left hand is always going to be the tens place. So the sets are equal. That means the ones place is a 4, equal to the multiplicon. And the tens place is a 2, so 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be 5. Go back to the right hand. The count always with the right hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then extend the thumb, 5. All right? We want to maintain the American Sign Language for representing numbers. All right, so the sets are not equal. I have to add a 5 to the multiplicon 5, and 5 and 5 is 10. So the ones place is a 0, carry 1. Now the left hand represents the tens place, which is a 2, and the carry makes 3. So 6 times 5 is 30. We have to have a carry when we get an addition that's more than 10. All right, so this represents 5, and then we would go back to the 5 times 6. We come back, and we have the two sets equal, right? 3 is equal to 3. We're multiplying 6 times 6 now. So the sets are equal. That means the ones place is the multiplicon, 6. And the tens place is 3, left hand. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7, I'm going to go back to the right hand and raise those 2. Close this thumb. 4 extended fingers versus 3. That means I have to add a 5, okay? The sets are not equal. I have to add a 5. 4 and 3 is 7, and 5 is 12. So the ones place is going to be a 2, and I'm going to carry 1. The tens place is the left hand, which is 3, and the carry makes 4. So 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8, I go back to my left hand, close that thumb, raise these 2. So now it represents 6 times 8. 4 extended fingers on each hand. The sets are equal. The ones place is the multiplicand 8. The tens place is the left hand extended fingers, which is 4. So 6 times 8 is 48. Finally, 6 times 9, I go back to the right. The sets are not equal. 4 is not equal to 5. That means I have to add a 5 to 9. 9 and 5 is 14, so my ones place is going to be a 4, and I have a carry of 1. My tens place is going to be 4, left hand, 4, and the carry makes 5. So, 6 times 9 is 54.